Hello all. Welcome on this new training on Azure Administrator. So this course will help you to manage Azure and all the services that you can find to manage your daily work. And this could help you also for the exam AZ-103. Okay, maybe you don't need it, but if you want to pass the exam, this course can help you to pass it. So I'm Fabrice Chanetsky, founder of Fluctuation IT. I am doing training since more than 1 year. My skills are Synapse and Desktop and NetScaler, Citrix, and Microsoft Trainer. Focus on 2016 Server, Windows 10, SCAP for Business, System Center Suite. Also on the cloud solution Office 365, I'm preparing a new course on it, Azure and AWS from Amazon. In virtualization, I'm doing also Hyper-V, PowerShell, and I created a new training in French, but I hope to do it in English on VMware. So my website is fluctuationit.com. The next version will be online in March. It will be FitIT Online. So you can have access on this website to live courses. So live courses is courses where you connect to a web conferencing system with Citrix Go to Training, and you can see the webcam of the instructor. You can see the webcam of the other student, and you can work and do a real training with other people, and this is amazing. And of course at 70% price less than the official courses. So wow, this is really amazing. So you will have some live training, and you can just click on it and subscribe to live training. After I have the video course. Video course is like we're doing actually. So it's just a video that you can read everywhere. Rent a lab, where you could rent a lab. For example, you need to practice, so you need a lab, so you can rent it. And consulting, so ask the expert, where when you have an issue in developing, in software, in Azure, for example, you can ask our expert who will answer to your problem as soon as possible. And the studio is where we are creating content in training for a company. So for this workshop on Azure Admin, what you need is just a subscription, free subscription. Remember that when you do a free subscription, you have $200 for the first month, so you can access all what you want. And after, for 12 months, you will have 25 product free that you can use to test the Azure services. So this workshops is for admin people who want to manage cloud services that cover what? Storage, of course, networking, and cloud computing capability, with a deep understanding in each services. So really, we'll go deeply in each services. So they take requests from end user for new cloud application and make recommendation on the services to be used for optimal performance, and also provide size monitoring and adjust as needed, like for example skill set. So this will require communication with your supplier. And when you use Azure Admin, you can use the Azure portal, but when you will be more confident with the product, you can try to use PowerShell and CLI. So here's the content of the training. So how to connect to Azure. We'll see that we can connect from the GUI or from PowerShell CLI. VM, how to manage VM. The storage, so important, the storage with the different type of storage. The VNet, virtual network. Of course, the interconnectivity between network, very important. The monitoring, you have to monitor your services. Data protection, so all the system, the replication of data protection, and also site recovery manager. Load manager with load balancer. Of course, Azure Active Directory and AD Connect to connect your on-premise AD to the cloud. Secure Azure Active Directory, your identities. Governance and compliance, and the last section will be about how to import and export your data in bulk. So something very nice is that now you will have access. It's something that you can buy. It's the challenges, because I like to challenge people. So you can have access to content where you will find and provide answer from challenging labs. So you have 2 access pass. So with this access pass, you have access to hundreds of challenge for 360 days of access, multi-level guided advanced and expert, and after you can have digital badge to put it on your resume or your CV or your email in the signature, and for example Azure, AWS, or Challenge Voyager. This is for 360 days. If you want less, you can have series. For example, let's say Azure Storage, Azure Networking, and you have 90 days of access and you can have digital badge. Okay, so if you're interested, just drop me an email and I will give you the price, of course. And this is the 4 type of challenge you have. You have getting started, guided, advanced, and expert. Here's an example of the library where you, for example, let's say that I want you to enable disk encryption using BitLocker and Key Vault. You have 45 minutes to do it, okay? So you just have to show that you understand. If you want, for example, to change the size of an Azure VM with PowerShell, same thing. So you have a lot of challenge, and really this is amazing because this is really where you understand things. You must do it, okay? So that's it. So thank you everybody for attending this training, and I hope to see you soon in other training. And bye bye. Good luck. Bye bye.